There are many ways to make plantain. Now you still the fry and the roaster move. So guys, on this video, I'm going to show you how I achieve this using plantain. So I am starting up by boiling my ripe plantain. I'm just going to put it in the pot and then I'm going to add salt on it. Cover it and allow it to cook until it becomes soft. So at this point, the plantain is ready. So you can see my plantain is ready. I'm just going to take it out, allow it to cool down, and then I'm going to put it into my food processor. If you don't have food processor, you have mortar, you can pound it, or you can also use your fork to match it until it becomes smooth. But since I have food processor, it saves time and energy. So I'm just going to blend it until it becomes smooth. So do not add water while blending it with food processor. Your food processor is going to do its job. So once I'm done, guys, this is how it looks. Next, I'm just going to remove it from the food processor. I'll put it into my bowl. Alright guys, if you like this video, please help me to share this video so it reach a lot of people. So next, I'm going to apply oil on my hands and then I'm going to start to mold the dough. I'm just going to cut the quantity I want and then I'll try to mold it into a circle shape. So mold it very round until it looks like this. So next, I'm just going to put hole in the middle like this. Once I'm done doing that, next I'm going to be adding my fillings on it. On this filling, you can use chicken, you can use beef. So I'm using beef for it. Next, I added cheese on it and then I try to cover it up. So when you're covering it, make sure you cover everything just like this. And then next, I'm going to touch it on the dry floor. I am using self-rising flour. You can use any flour you have at home. And then I touched it on the egg. And this is frosted flax. You can use cornflakes if you have. So I'm just going to quickly mold another one. Mold it into a circle shape and then put hole in the middle. Put your fillings and then go in with your cheese. Once you add the cheese, try to cover it again. Mold it until it becomes circle and cover any space on it and then roll it on your floor and then go into the egg and then your corn flakes or frosted flakes, whichever one you have. Just use your spoon to break it or your hands. Next, I'm going to be dipping it into the hot oil and I'm going to fry it until it is golden brown. This thing is really beautiful, guys. Just take a look at it. Give this a name. Give this thing a name. This is really beautiful. Haba, it's not all the time you will be eating fried plantain, porridge plantain. There's something you can actually achieve using your ripe plantain. This really came out nice. I love the crunchy part of it. Like looking at it, you won't know if it is plantain or not. Guys, take a look at this. Let me know if you're going to be trying this in the comment section. So let me show you guys how it looks inside. When I open it, I was like, wow, this is amazing. So I tasted it. Oh my goodness, this is heaven. This is heaven. It's so nice, guys. Let me know if you're going to be trying this in the comment section. See you all on my next one. Bye.